Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 1 of week 7 and we will start our revision because we have covered the whole book. We will start revision from chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computer. Fundamentals of Computer. In this we will discuss about introduction to computer in today's lecture. Fundamentals of computer. Computer consists of two components, basic components, hardware and software. Hardware is that component which we can physically touch and see, and for example mouse, keyboard, etc. And software is that component which we can see because this is the program installed inside the computer system, and it includes games, word processing software, etc. Computer has many application areas like computers can be used in banking, hospitals, schools, education, etc. And it has great impact on our daily life. Introduction to computer. What is computer? Computer is an advanced electronic machine. It is a general purpose device because it can perform all types of tasks. It is not specific for to perform a specific type of task. It takes raw data as input and the data will go to the processing unit for processing under the set of instructions, and after the processing the output will be displayed on output device, or it can be saved for in the memory for future use. Here you can see the block diagram of computer on the screen. This is very important from exam point of view. It basically depicts the four operations of the computer: input, output, processing and storage. Input device, through input device we feed the data in the computer, and after that the data will go for processing in the processing unit, and after processing the output will be displayed on the output devices, and will be saved, or it can also be saved in storage for future use. Assignment. Learn and draw block diagram of computer on loose sheets. You have to draw the diagram. This is the end of our lecture. I hope you all understand the lecture. Thank you.